In this video, we'll be registering a Growlink Connect Controller. You'll use the Growlink mobile app that you can download from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, depending on the device you use. To get started, you'll need to locate the QR code located on the controller. Usually on the Connect, it's printed right here on the bottom. Then use the mobile app once you're signed into your account. Tap on the settings. Tap Connect a Controller, and then you'll hit the Continue with Barcode. Scan the barcode located on the bottom of the controller. Give a name to the controller once the QR code is scanned. In this example, I'm going to label this Nutrient Delivery Kit. Tap Continue. And you should get a message that says, "Congratulations, you've successfully connected your Growlink device to the Growlink cloud." Once you hit continue on that page, it will bring you to the controller profile where you can edit the name again if you wish, set the country and time zone that the controller is located in, and you can also set a day start and end time if this controller is being used for a room. If it's being used for a nutrient delivery kit, there's no need to set a start and end time other than what's already specified. And then you can also set a lighting shutdown temperature. Again, this is used if you're registering this controller to be used as a room. And this is the temperature you wish Growlink to shut your lights off if the room gets above and gets too hot. Tap Save, and that will bring you to the dashboard for your controller, where you'll see a list of devices, and then you can also go to the device list and view all of the associated controls that have been added. And the final part of registering this controller is to tell this system that it's a nutrient delivery kit, so make sure to enable that setting on your phone. And it's as simple as that to register your controller.